Dear student friends, so far under measures of central tendency we have discussed about the calculation of arithmetic mean, and I have uploaded near about 12 videos regarding the calculation of arithmetic mean in different ways, that is for discrete series, individual series, discrete series, continuous series, different methods, and missing frequency, missing values, and the incorrect x bar and other things. So today we are going to discuss about the second central tendency, that is median, under central tendency through Sugan economics. Dear students, median is a second measure of central tendency. That too, it is a positional average because it explains the positional value that we have already discussed in the previous classes. So here now I will explain what do you mean by median and how we can calculate median under individual series in this video lecture, right? So first you can understand about what do you mean by median. Simply you can remember median is a value which divides the given series into two equal parts. Given series into two equal parts. One part consists of the values which are lesser than the median value, and the other part consists of the values which are greater than the median value. Are you clear? So median is a value which divides the series into two equal parts. For example, you take into account, so here this is a 1 meter length, 1 meter length. Suppose here you are starting 1 and here you are taking 100 centimeter we are having. Suppose if you want to classify this 100 centimeter length into two equal parts, means what we have to do means we have to make a cut at point 50. Suppose you take this is 50. So this 50 is called the median. The 50 is called the median, and you take the values which are on the left hand side of 50 are lesser values, and the right hand sides are you take the greater values. So because of that only we are telling median divides the series into two equal parts, and one part consists of the values which are lesser than the median value, and the other part consists of the values which are greater than the median values. Are you clear? So now I will explain how to calculate median for individual series under two circumstances. One is, suppose if n is an odd number, how you can calculate, and if your n is an even number, how you can calculate. That I will explain here. Okay. So first we will discuss about odd number. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. These are all called odd number. Suppose your n value is in odd, you can do or you can follow the steps which I will discuss. Suppose here you take into account here how many here there an example is given. The marks are given, marks are 45, 32, 18, 57, 65, 28, 46. So now you can count how many marks are given. Marks are how many students are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here our n equal to 7. Our n equal to 7. 7 is a odd number. So now how you can calculate the median for odd series. Okay. So now I will explain here. So here first step what we have to do means whether you calculate median for individual series or discrete series. First you can arrange the data, that is the x values into ascending order, the values into ascending order. Then after that only you can proceed. Whether we can arrange the data only in ascending order? No. We can either arrange the data in ascending order, or we can arrange the data in descending order. So ascending order is nothing but you can write the number from smaller to bigger, and the descending order means you can arrange the number from bigger to smaller. But for your calculation you can take only the ascending order format. Simply you can remember whatever the sum is given for under individual series, first step what you have to do means you have to arrange the series into ascending order. Then after arranging the series into ascending order, you have to find out the median size. So here median size is equal to median size, that is median size n plus 1 by 2th item, n plus 1 by tooth item. Then after that you can find out the median value from the ascending order series. So first I will explain now with the help of this example. First what we have to do means we have to arrange the values in ascending order. Ascending order. So ascending order in the sense from smaller number to a bigger number. So here you can see 18 is the smallest number. 18 is the smallest number. So first you take 18. So before that what number we have taken? To make a mark, you make a cross mark. So first you write 18, ascending order. First you write 18. Then the second value is 28. You write 28. Then after that 32. Then after that 45. Then after that 46. Then 57 and 65. So now we have arranged the series into ascending order. So what is the next what we have to do means we have to find out median. So median equal to size of n plus 1 by tooth item. N plus 1 by tooth item. So now you have to find out the size. So here size of what is your n? N equal to already you find out n equal to 7 because 7 marks are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here you substitute 7 plus 1 by tooth item. So here that is equal to the size of 8 by tooth item. 8 by tooth item. So here that is median equal to size of 8 by 12, that is equal to 4. Fourth item. Median equal to the size of fourth item, median. This is not the median value. So here this is the size of the median value. So after finding out the median size, what we have to do means we have to locate where this fourth value. Here the median size is equal to 4. So now you can take the fourth value in the ascending order. That value is called our median value. So this is 18 is the first value, 28 is the second value, and 32 is the third value, and the fourth value is 45. So our median equal to 45. So median equal to 45 marks. So in this manner you have to calculate median for individual series when the n value is in odd. Right? Okay. So now suppose if your n is given in odd even number. Here this is an odd number. Suppose your n value is given in even number. How you can do the calculation? So here also I have taken one example. So in this example, so here the marks are given. Marks of 8 students are given. You can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our n equal to 8. So 8 is an even number. The same procedure we have to follow, but only a simple modification. So first what is the procedure, what is the step we have to do? First we have to arrange the series into ascending order. First we arrange the series into ascending order. So right, how you can write the values in ascending order? So first you find out the least value. So here the least value is 38. First you write 38. Then the second least value is 42. Then the third least value is 57. The next value is 58. Then the next value is 61. The next value is 65. Then you take 66, and the last value, that is 72. You can ensure that whether you have included all the values in the ascending order series or not. So here 2, 4, 6, 8. So we have taken all the values. So again what we have to do? We have to calculate the median. Median equal to size of n plus 1 by tooth item. right? So now that is equal to size of n equal to 8. So 8 plus 1 by 2th item. 8 plus 1 by 2th item. So here that is equal to size of 9 by 2th item. 9 by 2th item. So that is equal to, that is here median equal to size of 4.5th item. 4.5th item. So here we have find out the median size. So the median size equal to 4.5. What it means? In the previous sum, the median size equal to 4. So simply we have taken the fourth value as our median value. But here in this sum, the median value is 4.5. It means the median is between 4th and 5th item. The median is between 4th and 5th item. So first you have to find out what is the 4th value in the ascending order series and what is the 5th value. Then you can take the total of the 4th and 5th value. That should be divided by 2. What answer you are getting, that is your median value. So here first you have to find out in the ascending order, you have to find out what is the 4th value. So here 38 is the first value, second, third and 4th value is 58 and the 5th value is 61. So median is between 58 and 61. So now how you can calculate the median value? So here median equal to what is the 4th value? The 4th value is 58 and what is the 5th value? The 5th value is 61. It should be divided by 2. So now we can take the total of this. So here 9, 11, it should be divided by 2. So median equal to 119 divided by 2. So here median equal to 59.5 marks. 59.5 marks. So here in this manner we have to calculate median for even number. Are you clear, students? So for odd number the median size is not in fraction. So simply you can count what is your median size. According to that you can take the value. But here in the even number your median size is always in fractional value. So in the fractional value here you, for example 4.5 is a fractional value. So it means the value is between, that is the median value is between 4th and 5th item. So in the ascending order you have to find out 4th value, 5th value. You can take the sum, that sum should be divided by 2. So that is your median value. Thank you friends. Dear students, kindly go through the video carefully and study well. Those who are not subscribing Sugan Economics so far, kindly subscribe, click the bell button, then only you will get intimation. Regularly we are uploading the videos regarding statistics. So kindly subscribe. Thank you friends.